Here are 6 tips to supercharge your Wi-Fi. If you are tired of your slow internet, don't throw your router out the window just yet. These simple tips will boost your Wi-Fi signals and banish those dreaded dead zones. Wi-Fi uses radio waves to send data. Walls, objects can weaken these signals. Knowing this helps you make smarter choice about your router and its placement. Don't hide your router. Avoid place it on the floor, in cabinet, or behind furniture. A central elevated location is best for optimal signal distribution. Number 2. Got antennas. Position them particular to each other. One vertical, one horizontal. Experiment with different angles and run speed test to find the sweet spot. Number 3. 4 GHz offers best range, while 5 GHz provides faster speed at close range. Choose the band that best suits your needs, or let your router automatically steer you to the optimal one. 4. Still struggling? A Wi-Fi extender can simplify your signal and eliminate dead zones. Plug it into between your router and weak area for a quick boost. Ready to enjoy your faster, more reliable Wi-Fi? These tips today and on ITFO. Try these tips on ITFO. Like, subscribe, share this with a friend who needs a Wi-Fi booster.